welcome back to another session of your computer class related to Microsoft Excel 2010. Today, we are going to discuss about the rest of the basic elements of Microsoft Excel window. Here, in front of you is an Excel window with all its labeled parts. In today's session, we are going to talk about spreadsheet area, columns, rows, active cells, dialog box launcher, scroll bars, status bar and zoom controls. So, let's begin. Spreadsheet area. A spreadsheet area is a collection of cells where all your data and formulas are stored. Each cell can contain either numeric data or text data or a formula. Cells are arranged in rows and columns in the workbook. Rows, as you can see in the picture, are labeled with numbers and columns are labeled with alphabet. Then, let's discuss what columns and rows are. A row is a series of data put out horizontally in a table or spreadsheet, while a column is a vertical series of cells in a chart, table or spreadsheet. Just notice the picture. Rows go across left to right. On the other hand, columns are arranged from up to down. Active cells. When you first start Excel, the active cell is the first cell, which is always A1. You can move the cell pointer by pressing the arrow keys or enter on your keyboard, or you can click on any cell using your computer mouse. If you are using the keyboard, you can also press the F2 key to edit the active cell, and you can check the name of your active cell in the name box. Dialog box launcher. A dialog box launcher is a button in the ribbon of Excel and is used to reveal additional tools available for use in that section of the ribbon. Because there is not room to show all tools in the ribbon, you can click the dialog box launcher to see the features and options that are hidden. In the picture of the Excel ribbon, there are 4 dialog box launchers highlighted by red colors. They are your clipboard, your font group, your alignment group, etc. Scroll bars. There are 2 scroll bars in Excel. One is a vertical scroll bar which is used to view the data in Excel from up and down, and another scroll bar is horizontal scroll bar which is used to view the data from left to right or right to left. The status bar. The status bar is a name for the lower edge of the worksheet window which displays various information about an Excel worksheet. Status bar can be configured to display things like sum, count and average of the currently selected cell or worksheet. Then we have zoom controls. You can use the minus and plus symbols in the status bar to quickly zoom the document. Use the buttons on the View tab to zoom to a specific percentage and to zoom to a selection. To quickly zoom the document, use the minus and plus symbols in the status bar at the bottom. Secondly, in this View tab, you can click on the zoom group and you can click on zoom to zoom in and zoom out your worksheet. So, that's all for today's session. We'll tell you about file menu in detail in the next session, and we will also learn to save the document or the Excel sheet and to open the existing Excel sheet. Till then, take care. Thank you.